before 26.
Oh, well, I'd probably get here before April.
It is.
Taylor's of Harrogate Hot Lava Java. Ooh, yeah, that sounds good. It's pre-ground though, right? It's pre-ground?
You can get it in beans.
Yeah, I like the beans. I like to grind my beans. I feel like that's the best way to make coffee.
I'm still sitting here drinking instant, to be honest with you.
Ew, what? Bro, life is too short to be drinking instant coffee, dude. No.
Well, so the problem we have with these buildings is, I said they're really old and made of bricks and... Why is that going off now? I think YouTube just went online now.
Oh, good job, YouTube. Couldn't have done that a fucking 2 hours ago.
But anyway, they're sealed. They're pretty much sealed environments. So they get really, really dusty, and so it's very hard to sort of keep everything properly dust-free. And so any mechanical items that you've got to get in there and just scrub it. And
oh, I see. Yeah, and that'd be a pain in the ass for coffee machines and stuff.
And so if you leave anything just laying around and not being used for like a week, it's like, oh, but I've got to clean it from top to bottom now.
No. Don't want to. Don't want to. All right, Ethan, let's try to do this one. Ready, Ethan? Ethan? Ethan.
Hey, Mama Gweb.
Yes, you know I'm here. You know I'm here.
All right, good, Ethan. All right, let's try to do this one. How do we do it?
So the same thing as before. You subtract 8 on both sides, right?
Good, I agree. Let's put the 8x on both sides. Good. 4x squared minus 8x plus 3 equal to 0. And I want you to do my trick here, Ethan.
Wait, yeah, see, I was confused right there. Why didn't you move the tree further instead of there?
Let's move the 3 a little bit over here.
Okay,
Thanks,
so yes.
Shantrix. I appreciate your question. Thanks for coming by the stream, dude. Okay. Now let's do something here. What do we got to do here?
So, you said before that you just want the half of... You want the half whatever the letter B is then. I call that B since, you know, it's in the middle of them. A, B, C, you know what I mean?
Yes. Okay, but before we do any of this, Ethan, I need to make sure... Be careful. I need to make sure that this thing has a 1 in front of it. Okay?
Why does that matter?
It does. It just does.
Why does it matter, huh?
Well, if you want to know the technical definition, it's because when we do this trick here, this needs to have just a 1 in front of it. Otherwise, it starts making all this stuff messy. No.
Oh my gosh. Huh.
I know.
This way of putting this way is so messy. It's
okay. It's okay. So, what can I do to make this have a 1 in front of it? What can I pull out?
Oh, apparently you just divide every single term by 4.
You don't divide everything before. You kind of do. You pull out a 4. Is what you do, and put a parentheses here, Ethan.
You factor out. You factorize it, yes.
Yes. Okay. I'm gonna leave this here.
Now, where did that 2 extras come from? Where did that 2 extras come from?
Okay, because if I pull 4 out of minus 8x, it becomes minus 2x.
Okay.
Okay. Now we're gonna be
B, right?
we're gonna be inside this house, and we're just looking at this. Okay. So I'm gonna divide by 2. So that's 2 over 2, which is just 1, and then we're gonna square it, and then I'm gonna add and subtract, right? So then that's plus 1 squared minus 1 squared.
Okay.
Toast. Okay. Now, let's remember, this part now becomes something, right?
Yes, it becomes a perfect square. So you
what
can
perfect square does it become?
4 and then x plus 1 squared.
X minus 1. Gotta be careful. Because
and
this thing here...
The signs do not matter because square will just make it positive anyway.
No, bro. Because x plus 1 squared and x minus 1 squared are 2 different things. These are 2 completely different things.
How are they different? The signs just basically convert to a positive either way.
No. This becomes x squared plus 2x plus 1. This becomes x squared minus 2x plus 1.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, then, I see.
It's like foiling x plus 1 with... I know. This you would think would kill off the... It doesn't. Okay. Anyways, so this thing right here, right, becomes x minus 1 squared, okay? But then we still have minus 1 squared, okay? And then even more important, all of this is still inside the house. It's still inside this 4 house. Okay?
All right.
And then this thing, right, gets to come down and be a +3, but it's outside. Okay? Now what I do is I'm going to distribute this onto each thing. Okay?
So what? Distribute?
Yes. So this is going to be 4 attached to the x minus 1 squared. And then it's going to be minus. So 1 squared is 1. So 4 times -1 is -4.
So you just do 4 times -1 squared. That's it.
Yeah. Well, -1 squared is -1. If it was -1 in parentheses squared, then it would just be +1, but it's not. Okay.
Isn't -1 squared just -1 times -1?
That's this, Ethan. This, you're right, is 1. But this is -1.
Okay, you're really making this confusing now.
No, dude, it just depends whether the negative is inside the parentheses or outside the parentheses.
So if it's outside the parentheses, then it'll become like,
Yeah, when we write this, Ethan, this means -1 squared, which is equal to -1.
Alright.
Okay. Unless I explicitly put the -1 inside the parentheses, I don't assume that it's gonna get killed by the square. Okay.
Alright then. I got it.
Okay. So now what I'm left with, right, is 4x minus 1 squared, and then -4 plus 3 is -1, equal to 0.
Alright. And so now you just make x a subject of the formula. You just add one on both sides.
Good. What do we do next?
And then you divide 4, I believe.
Good.
Square root both sides, which is just like 1/2. Right?
Plus or
And then
minus?
you just plus or minus 1/2, yeah.
Just
And
1/2,
you just
yeah.
add 1 on both sides yet again, which is just the answer.
Nice. Good job, dude.
Oh, thanks for hitting my head and ruining my life again.
Oh, good, dude.
How is it good that you hurt my head using this?
No pain, no gain, man. No pain, no gain.
I'm still struggling, with completing this way.
I'm struggling too, man. I think everyone in the world is struggling right now. But you luckily have someone to help you. It's me. All right. All right, nice. Good job, Ethan.
So wait, you have to always make sure that that A is
I
always
can't give you
equal
coins
to 1,
twice.
no matter what.
Yes. Yes. Whatever. I'll give you an extra coin. I'll just do it anyways. I'm curious. All right. Let me see if I want to help out Bella. I want to make sure I help out Bella.
I gotta go. I want to.
Is Anuki around? Is Anuki around?
Later.
All right. Yeah. Good to see you, Ethan.
Bye.
Aduki is his name. Aduki, you around? Yeah, we can do yours right now. Yeah. Okay. Cool. I'll do some of yours so I can help out Bella before I gotta go teach. I'm pretty sure you already know this stuff. Go away, Olaf. All right, heights of male students is normally distributed with a mean of 170 and a standard deviation of 8. Find the probability of these. Okay. I mean, we've already done these. Adarsh. Right? You can literally use your calculator for this, I think, right? 170? But you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to challenge you to do these without a calculator. Yeah, you have to show me how to do this without a calculator. Yeah. Give me this one. I want the result of this without using a calculator. And you have to tell me why. It's okay, I'll help you. But otherwise, like, I don't know. I might as well, like... Yeah. No, you should be able to do these by hand without even needing a table. The key thing here is that the standard deviation is 8. And a lot of these things involve multiples of 8. Okay. I'll give you a hint. Ooh, Jeff sees it. Yeah, you do, dude. This is the... Yes, it's that rule. Correct. Yes, Adarsh, it is 34%. Why is it 34% for here? Why is this one 34%? Dude, Twitch is really trying to, like, get me to clip some moments. Because of the standard deviation
Make it really offensive.
Yeah, just be like, ah, you fucking wanker. Yes, it's because if this is 162 and the standard deviation is 8, then this is 1 sigma away. Well, and this is Darsh, this is what I want you to know. Is that if you are plus or minus 1 standard deviation away from the center, that is 68% of the data. This is the rule that Jeff is talking about. 68, 95, 99.7. Dr. Gold, sir, what is the probability a male student will have a height less than 0 centimeters? I don't know. It's probably going to die a virgin. No. Technically, it's not 0. But realistically, it is 0. This is where statistics in real life start to differ sometimes. Yes, either side, and the other side goes to 178. Good. Yeah. So, right, if this is 170, then this is 162, this is 178. Yeah, normal distributions are sometimes silly. So then this goes to, like, 154, right? And then, oh, that's kind of cool. There's some cool ones here. What about this one? Yeah, what about less than 162? I want to do this one. I think this one's very cool. I want to show you how to do it. Well, you tell me how you're going to do it. Says it would be 36.8. How'd you get that? You use the rule? Okay. Yeah, well, the main thing is that, like, okay, on either side of this, you have 50%, okay? This is 50% and this is 50%. So less than 162 means this amount, right? Which is the same thing as 50% minus this amount. Which, you're right. You figured out... yeah, so it wouldn't be 36.8. Wait, 162? 162 is 1 standard deviation away, though, right? Yeah, don't worry about the z-scores and stuff. Okay, look. 162 here, right? We already said between 162 and 170 was 34%. Right? We already said that this was 34%. But this whole half here is 50%. So the part to the left of it is 50 minus 34. So that would end up actually being 16%. Okay. What if I said greater than 162? What if we wanted this one? $74. Close. Where'd you get 74 from? 84, yes. Yes. Because, okay, if the probability of being less than 162 is, you're okay, dude, is 16%, then the other possibility of being greater than 162 has to be 84%. Because the total possibility of something happening has to be 100%. Yeah. Yeah, and that's what they're doing here, Darsh. When they're asking you these questions, since all of these are multiples, or whatever, of 8, they're wanting you to use this rule. That you don't need to look up z-tables and, like, whatever. That's the brute force way to do it. They want you to be, like, smart about this. Yeah. But anyways, yeah, no, that's cool. I hope you learned something from that. Wait, who's that Asian guy? Dude, who's that? What the fuck is that, dog? Nice, good job, Darsh. Okay, yeah, don't be sorry. It's okay. Alright, here, let me help out Zabella. Zabella, come up to the stage. What are we gonna learn today? Here, I'll tag her. Hopefully she comes by. I know it's late for her. It's like 9:30 for Bella. Ooh, yes. Oh, I see. Oh, 2.35 is the percentage there. Oh, thanks, Adarsh. Yeah, oh, this is very cool. I like this. Yeah, this is a really good document here. Nice, dude. Yeah, hell yeah. This is actually really good. Oh, that's what you mean by 2.35. Uh-huh. Right, because this adds up to 68. This adds... Oh, wow. This is a very good document, actually, Darsh. I like this one. Where's our friend Bella? Bella, come back. Oh. Oh, she says, "Oh, give me a sec. I need to wash my bowl." 10:23. What's 23? What's up, Bella? Can I hear you? Oh, wait. Oh, yeah, she's on the stage, right? I can't hear her mic yet. Oh, I see. You were talking the office hours text in the whatever, not the... let's try inviting her again. Sometimes it works.
Hello?
Yes. You've made it, Bella. You made it to the promised land. What's up?
I sent a thing in the...
Yeah, I saw it. Is this... Wait, what the fuck? Where'd I put it? You hear this? This email
It's just the highlighted ones.
Okay. How short run cost graphs look. Where are the curves? MC, AT, dude, all these fucking acronyms, dude. This is so dumb. I could see why you get, like, mad at this.
I had to, like, study so much to memorize, like, the formulas for all... I mean, it's not hard. It's just, like, a lot. It's kind of annoying.
It's not that it's hard, but it's annoying, right? Because it's a bunch of, like, very finicky things they want you to figure out. Okay. Yeah, what up, Amo? Good to see you, bro. I haven't seen you forever. We're helping out Bella with some stats right now. Or no, sorry, this is economics. I was just helping out stats with someone else. All right, let me look up a graph for this. Short run cost graph. Let's go look one up.
Oh my gosh, did I tell you I got a 92 on my stats test?
Oh, fuck yeah.
Yeah, I usually get 60s. So.
Wow. Why did you do better on your test this time? What did you do? What did you change?
I kind of knew some of the content, so like I just asked you questions about it.
Isn't that dope? Like when you know shit to like do shit, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Moog says if demand is high, supply is low. No shit, dog. If demand is high, supply is low. Okay, short run cost graph. Oh no, Mo, you got a 75 on your chem quest? That's. Are your parents gonna disown you now, dog?
Could I join on my computer?
Yeah, go for it. I
can't see. That's
You're okay. Oh, okay. Oh, interesting. Ah.
Okay, I'll be back.
All right.
It's funny how you always say beta. It's like that means sun.
Yeah, I know. That's why I say to them. Yeah. I used to ban them because I thought they were saying beta as like the American form of beta to like put people down. And then it was like, no, bro, it's like part of our culture to call each other beta. It's like sun. Yeah.
Yeah, there you go.
It's too funny that it's like beta. Like if you call someone a beta in the US, dude, like it's like not taken well. Beta.
I just call everyone chaiwala.
All right, Moog wants to say some stuff.
Beta, not like beta, it's beta.
Beta?
Yeah, like hello beta, my name is Amanguraj Elamineni.
Oh my god, dude, I feel like I'm talking to Microsoft customer support. Hello, can I help you with your Windows activation?
No sir, please click on the icon in the left. If you do not click on the icon in the left, you will get the virus very soon.
Why? Can you say why did you redeem it?
Why did you redeem it, sir? You weren't supposed to.
Is this some meme I don't know? Why did you redeem it? Is this where he's like scamming the scammers or something?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I've seen these. They're fucking great. Yes, dude, I love these. Bum. Yes, we can. Yes. Oh, also, I'll Nitro again on the 7th. Oh, nice. Okay. Yes, we would love Nitro. That'd be great. Okay. Let's see. Here's this graph. Okay. So we have to know what all these things are, kind of? Yeah?
I have another, like, I have a picture of my teacher's graph, but I wasn't sure if it was, like...
Does it look like this one?
Aligned, because, yeah, it does, but, like, the average fixed cost, the AFC, it's, like, a little lower than what he has, so that's why I was,
Oh,
like,
does he have it, like,
confused.
intersecting things?
Yeah.
I think that's okay. Because, again, this depends on what, like, the upfront costs are for stuff, right?
I sent it. Well, he's like, I don't know if we're supposed to like draw it out as like a FRQ or if we're supposed to like choose it on a multiple choice or something.
Oh, I see. This is what he got. And we got somebody's hair here. Okay. Oh, this is short term and long run. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think he just doesn't give a fuck. He's just like kind of trying to draw it and whatnot. Because fixed costs can be higher than marginal cost. Also, like, all these scales are always weird how this works, I think.
I was thinking that his was kind of off, too, because if you have the average fixed cost and the average variable costs,
yeah,
like, added together, wouldn't, like, the ATC be, like, a little bit, like...
Oh, yeah. So average fixed cost plus average variable cost should always add up to average total costs. You're right.
Yeah. Or, like, I don't know. It just didn't look like it would add up to that. I don't know.
Yeah,
if you know what I mean.
I know what you see. I know what you mean. Like it's not like If I were to take
Yeah.
literally this number and this number, it wouldn't add up to this number.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't think you have to be worried about that being like too exact. I think that in general, at least in economics, you just want to know like the trends and the important things are where things intersect. Like where things like intersect, that's the most important.
Yeah.
Like wherever those, like in this case, like where this hits and where this hits.
Yeah.
Which I forget what's like
He
special about this.
also- it's something like minimum with one of the costs
Yeah, okay.
or something.
But you're saying he also what? What else? What else did he also?
He also like had a line for like the marginal revenue equals like demand or something. There was like a line for that.
Oh, okay.
Like let me search it up. Let me see
Okay.
if it'll show up on the graph.
Minimal, yeah, MVC is minimal variable cost, guys, yeah. MC is marginal cost, which is like the cost it is to produce another unit. And so... Yeah. So like usually at first, like the cost of producing another unit goes down. And then you get to some point where it becomes more expensive to produce things in large quantities.
There isn't that.
One second,
It like has MR equals D.
Hold on, one sec.
Or maybe
Got you.
those like depend.
No, I got you. This is yeah, okay, this is price and quantity. Okay. And then he's saying marginal revenue is equal to demand.
He was like really strict on that too, but so I don't know why he didn't put it on the like graph that he put on the board.
I think this is called like the equilibrium price. Is that what that is? Marginal revenue equals demand. Yeah, so in a perfectly competitive market, marginal revenue is equal to the demand curve, meaning the additional revenue gained from selling one unit is the same as the market price, resulting in a horizontal curve for the firm, a horizontal demand curve. Oh, okay. Let's see if we can get some images of this. Because I think on that graph, all you're doing is you're just showing a price that I think, whatever, like the market wants to like equilibrate to. It's like what it wants to be is usually what it is. Let's see. Let's pull this up. Is the demand for rubber bands elastic or inelastic? God damn it. Fucking Jeff with the jokes today. Okay. Let's see. Price, marginal revenue, marginal cost. Okay. And then that's demand. And so when price is equal, so when marginal revenue equals marginal cost. Okay, marginal revenue equals marginal cost. Okay.
Is that equilibrium or something?
I think it is like an equilibrium. And then here's what I think your teacher's talking about. When things, okay, because this is a demand curve and this is a marginal revenue curve, okay? So if your demand curve is perfectly horizontal like this, right? That means for any amount you produce, for any amount you produce, you can always sell it at like the same price. Like there's like an infinite demand for the item. Then what happens here is that instead of like drawing a line up from here to figure out where it hits on the demand curve, this like comes up and is like horizontal with this as well. And so these 2 points end up lining up on the same thing, which is what's happening here. So marginal cost is hitting marginal revenue, which is also hitting at the same point on demand. That's why he's saying here marginal revenue equals demand. So this curve is coming up, and then this curve is also coming up, and it's horizontal. And this only happens when something's like perfectly competitive.
Is this like I think profit maximization
Maybe.
or like specialization or something?
Okay, let's ask ChatGPT. I like this. Okay. What is the significance of marginal cost equaling what was it? Marginal revenue?
Yeah.
Optimal level of production to maximize profit. Yeah, profit maximization. Okay. A firm's profit is maximized when the marginal cost is equal to the amount of revenue from at that unit. Okay. So when marginal cost equals marginal revenue, that makes sense, right? So the cost for me to make another unit is equal to the amount of more money I'm going to make for making that unit. It is optimization. Yeah. Oh, you're right, Laz. Yeah, Laz says sounds like optimization. It is an optimization. Yes. Okay. If if marginal revenue is more than marginal cost, okay, that means you make more money per unit than costs you to make per unit. So you should make more units. Until eventually what happens is you're making so many units that your marginal cost goes up, and now they're equal, okay? Because if marginal cost is greater than marginal revenue, then you need to produce less units, because at your current state, producing a big quantity of something is not making you a big quantity of money. Like the additional you're paying to make more is making you less in revenue.
Okay.
And then, when they're equal, then profit is maximized because you're selling the most amount of stuff. Like, you're not selling too much where you're losing money, and you're not selling too little where you're missing out on making money. That's where it's at profit max.
Okay.
Okay?
Yep.
So, okay. And I guess, in a perfectly... Okay, and then we should ask, like, what happens when it's... Why is it horizontal? Okay, let's say, like, if the marginal revenue curve is horizontal, what does this mean? Also, if it is equal to the demand curve. You guys live in such a blessed time. Like, this is like Googling shit on crack. Like, usually I would Google this and try to interpret it, but ChatGPT is just going forward and doing the Googling for me, and then I just get to, like, determine what I think is useful. Okay, horizontal marginal revenue implies that the firm can sell any quantity of its product at the same price without affecting the market price. This occurs because the firm is a price taker, meaning it has no market power to influence the price. Oh, okay. I've heard that before. Price taker before?
Price taker, yeah.
Okay. Oh, that's if it's horizontal.
Think it's the producers in a perfectly competitive or whatever.
I think so. Yeah, that's what I saw earlier. Okay, but this is it. So that was if the MR curve is horizontal, that's that. But I think this is the thing we're talking about. The MR curve is equal to the demand curve, which is what your teacher said here, right? MR equals demand. Okay. That means the demand is perfectly elastic to the market price, which means that... Oh, wow. Even a slight increase in the price would result in the loss of all customers to competitors. Oh, okay. Do you see why that makes sense? Because it's perfectly competitive, it means that if they try to jack up the price at all, other competitors will just swoop in and take all their customers.
Yeah.
Okay. So no matter how much they produce, the price is always that amount.
Oh, we talked about this on the last FRQ I did.
Oh, you did? Okay.
With you.
Oh, I did. Oh,
Like the car and truck one or whatever. Like
Yes!
2 trucks.
okay. Okay, I think I
You want
remember.
that?
Yeah, I remember working through a lot of econ with you at one point. I think it was maybe last week, 2 weeks. Cars and trucks. Yeah. Okay. In reality, yeah, whatever. This doesn't really happen in real life, but okay. So this is the profit max, is what we say. This is the profit max then. Okay.
Mhm.
Is producing this amount of units. Because if you produce less, okay, let's say for instance you're producing like down here. Okay? Marginal cost. Wait, where's marginal? Oh, this is marginal revenue. Okay. If you're down here, right, Bella? Then
Yep.
your marginal cost is less than your marginal revenue, which means you're making a lot, like per unit you're making a lot of money, right? Because it's costing you less to produce another unit than the money you make off of it. But you're like short selling yourself. You could be making more. So here. So if we're right here, let's say we're right here. Let's say we're producing let's say this is like 30 units, okay?
Okay.
And then let me put some numbers on here. Let's say this is like $3, this is $4, and then whatever, we'll go up even higher. We'll say this is 5 eventually. Okay. So if we're down here producing 30, okay, then let's make this 40 units, and then let's make this 50 units. Because I want to show you like what happens to the curves if you move them.
Okay.
This is 50. Okay. So if you're producing 30 units and your marginal cost is $3, right? That means it costs $3 to produce each additional unit, like each additional teddy bear or whatever the fuck you're making, okay?
Okay.
But your revenue you make from it is $4, okay? So profit, right, is then, right, it's $4 minus $3, and so you're making $1, right? You're
Okay.
However, you're missing out because if you produced more units, you would do this more times. Like you would make that $1 more times on more bears. But as you produce more units, this difference between how much revenue you make and how much it costs to make it starts to shrink until eventually it's zero,
okay.
right? Yeah. But you
Okay,
still
and
want to
that's where
produce more
equal-
things. Yeah. So even though, like, if I go slightly higher, let's say, for instance, I go to 35 units, right? And again, my revenue is always $4, but let's say now it's slightly higher, the marginal cost. It's $3.50, right? Okay. Now that's only 50 cents of, like, profit per unit, but I made 5 more units. So I really made $2.50 more than just doing this.
Okay.
So, yeah, you want to like keep producing things as long as your marginal revenue is bigger than your marginal cost, because you're still in the green. You're still making money. But this is kind of like a diminishing returns thing, because as you produce more and more and more, you eventually reach like this break-even point, which is here, when it costs me $4 to produce another teddy bear, but I only get $4 back for the teddy bear back. So I'm effectively not making any more money at this point. Like I shouldn't make any more teddy bears because I'm basically giving them out for free at this point. Well, not for free, but like you're break even. You're just a charity at this point, I guess. Yeah.
Wait, is the break even point like the minimum ATC, or is it like?
Okay.
Because I remember we talked about that last time, but I forgot.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Break even with ATC. Yes. Oh man, I remember doing this with you with the table, right?
Yeah.
Fuck. What was this? I wonder if I have it in my ChatGPT history.
I think I have my paper with me.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah. See if you have it. I'm trying to think. I remember it. It was like ATC. Oh. This is it. This is it. I found it. This is it.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Okay. Oh, we found the break-even price is what we did. Okay.
Oh.
Yes. Okay.
So is that still a minimum ATC?
So minimum ATC, right? Yeah, that's where you have the lowest break-even price, right?
Okay.
Because then this was yeah, and that's average total cost, right? Okay, cool. Yes. If your average total cost to do something is $50, then in order to break even, you need the cost of each unit to at least be $50 for you to break even. Yeah. This is different than the marginal stuff, though. Yeah. Oh, this was such a fun question. I remember I learned things from this one. I enjoyed this one. But yeah, and now for instance, if you produce too many units, so if we're like up here at 50 units, okay? Now my marginal cost is $5, okay? But my revenue is still only $4. So I'm technically losing $1.
Losing?
Yes. So this is bad. This is optimal. It's like the best.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Make a little bit more sense?
Yeah.
Okay. I kind of like these curves. They're all kind of fun.
But now I'm not sure if because I'm pretty sure we're gonna have to graph them on the test.
Okay.
So I'm not sure where I would put it. I don't know if he's gonna give me numbers or something, or if I just have to make a random graph.
Oh,
He just
there's no way he's gonna have you actually do something to scale here.
okay, because he just drew it on the board
Yes.
that, so I didn't.
Yeah, you're just gonna draw a general curve here. Darsh says I just finished this in AP Econ. Oh, cool. I should do a video on this then. Yeah, you just have to draw in general, right? That ATC has to be AVC plus. Wait, where's AFC? There's no AFC on this graph.
I don't think it's in this one.
Oh, okay. Well, average fixed cost always just does this. Usually, just goes down.
Okay.
And then
Straight?
I think it's like
Or is it
curvy, maybe.
curved?
I think it's kind of curvy.
Okay.
Yeah, it's kind of curvy. Everything's curvy. But it just keeps going down. Because by definition, right, this cost is always some set amount. It's usually I don't know, $1,000 or something.
Yeah.
And then as you put more into it, you're just dividing by a bigger and bigger number. So this ends up looking like a 1 over x graph, which 1 over x looks like this. Because you're dividing by more things.
Oh, I
Yeah.
thought it was okay.
Well, okay, because for instance, in the example we had here with the dump truck or something, right? Where was it? Did we do it on this one?
I don't think so. I think we did it all.
I remember us doing that, yeah. But with the dump truck, it's usually it costs this much for 3 trucks, and then whatever.
Yeah.
If we start doing more, it's the same, yeah. Although sometimes there's divisions of things. So for instance, the fixed cost for producing 100 teddy bears is probably some blank amount, right? You just got to buy a sewing machine. But if you need to produce 10,000 teddy bears, well, now my fixed costs are going to be more because I need a fucking warehouse and probably 10 sewing machines, and I don't know. You can't do it with just one sewing machine. That's when there are these jumps that happen. So sometimes AFC will do this, where it'll do this, and then it'll do this, and then it'll do this. But I don't think you're going to have that on your test. I think it'll just be a simple thing like this.
Okay.
Yeah. That's cool. What else? What else do you have on your graph? On your sheet of to-do stuff? Let's see.
I think it's just one more thing.
Was it the long-range ones? No, we did short run. Shutdown point?
I think that's just when profit, or when you can't earn any more profit or something.
Yeah, profit is less than
losing
average
money.
variable costs. I guess that's when we tell people you should stop running your business.
Yeah.
Okay, let me ask ChatGPT. Okay. What does it
Oh my
mean?
gosh.
What?
I was doing my FAFSA the other night.
Yeah.
With my one of like my teachers, I guess. Not teacher, but like advisor.
College
or
counselors?
something.
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess. And like, well, like I've known him since I was in middle school, and like my mom let him, my mom let him look at her W-2 and stuff. And my mom lost like 20,000 in stocks.
Oh no.
In crypto, and he's like, your mom needs to come to me for financial advice. And I'm like, oh, okay.
Your mom needs to stop watching all this fucking shitcoin crypto stuff on the TV. Yeah.
She day trades too.
Oh, she's a day trader? Oh, those are the true degenerates. Yeah. They watch the fucking lollipops go up and down and up and down and up and down. It's like too much.
She's like in a Discord for it.
I'm sure she is. These are called like signal groups and stuff. My friends are in these. Again, I don't do this because it's just fucking gambling. That's all it is.
Yeah.
But do you know about the?
You don't like gambling.
Yes. Do you know about the McRib in Bitcoin? There's like this hilarious graph here. Dude, yes.
Oh my god, this thing.
Yeah, dude. They say that like the McRib is back. Bitcoin historically goes up 2x after the McRib returns. Don't fade the McRib. Not financial advice. So people are like, look, McRib returns, big boom. McRib returns, big boom. McRib returns. I don't know. Yeah, that's hilarious. Yeah, I don't know if I would do my FAFSA with someone else, especially if someone that knows me, because this is why people don't like showing their tax records, because it's like a report card as an adult of like how you fucked up. Because your mom's smart to report like 20K in loss because it reduces her tax burden a lot. But it's kind of like admitting that like you're a crypto degenerate, and you're just like, oh, okay.
No, he was like, oh, you're definitely gonna get financial aid.
Yeah, you will definitely get financial aid if your family's showing like massive loss. Like, you know what they call us on Reddit? They call us like loss porn. Like people will post screenshots. They call it loss porn. Yeah, they'll show screenshots of like, oh, just lost my fucking kid's like college tuition fund or something. Yeah, it's super bad. Yeah, what's loss porn on Reddit?
But what's crazier is, well, I don't even know if I should be telling you this.
Oh, it's okay. You're anonymous.
Like,
whatever.
No, but what is it? We excluded my dad from my whole like everything, and we were like, oh, I don't know my dad.
Oh,
like he makes way more than my mom.
Yeah, if you file independently and like pretend that your mom is a single mom, it looks a lot better for financial support. Yeah, no, it's okay. Play the game. That's what I say. Play the game. The fucking rich people do it all the time. They just have lawyers that find all the loopholes for them. So, if you got to do a little bit of tax fraud, whatever, dude. Yeah, that's fine. But yeah,
how is one down 23K?
Yeah, dude, this guy's like all part of the process. Look, he's down 23K on Solana. Jesus on Sol. Dude, look at all these fucking shit coins. He's just superior loss pornage. Dude, look at this guy. This guy's down 142K.
God damn. Wait, can you do it sort by top post of all time?
I don't know, but some of them are bad. This one's 31K.
Oh my gosh, I remember seeing my dad's like trust wallet, and he was like down like 4K or something.
Yeah, they're bad. They're bad. Or people like place bets and stuff. I don't know. This is all just. It is what it is. That's funny though. Don't hate the player, hate the game. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, whatever. Fuck it. I say get yours if you can get it. I honestly, I should put down more stuff on my taxes. I just don't want to deal with it. I could write off more things if I wanted to. I just don't want to deal with an audit. That's the issue. If you start pushing too much into like the funny business, then the IRS audits you, and then that's like really bad because they're allowed to go through the last 7 years of your tax returns. So they'll look at what you did for the last 7 years. It's not like you oopsied once. They go in. But anyways, you'll become an adult. Make your own decisions, Bella. Don't invest in crypto like that. Or if you're gonna invest in crypto, set it and forget it. Don't fucking day trade. Day trading is the worst.
Yeah, start night trading.
Start night trading. That's the problem with crypto. It's a 24-hour market. So like usually like in regular markets, you at least do it during like normal people hours, but crypto is 24. So people just will be up Sunday at like 3 a.m. like moving Solana around or something. I don't know. It's ridiculous. I'm sure they're also in Telegram groups. It's like Telegram groups, Discord groups, and Telegram of like buy. And usually when this is happening, it's because one person is about to rug pull. So they're pumping a stock to get everyone into it, and then they're pulling it out at the last second, and then they take the cash.
Is that not what happened in the Great Depression?
No, the Great Depression was not a rug pull. The Great Depression, I forget what the Great Depression was. Did you see that video of that kid that did the rug pull live on his Twitch stream or something? Wait. Thanks for the 20 bandos.
Bookkeeper.
Dude, this kid was hilarious, dude. Where's the this guy, this teen behind this thing called Quant. It was another shitcoin or whatnot. Yeah, he
Wait,
rug
what?
pulls live on the stream.
Wait, I'm so confused.
Which means he dumps all of his coin. He sells all of it. And look, it'll start crashing.
Oh, holy fuck! Holy fuck!
You full clip.
Holy fuck!
He looks 11.
He literally.
Yo!
Everyone's laughing. Dead.
Yo! What?
So did he just like crash his stock?
He did. Yeah, no, he did. Yeah, he did what's called a rug pull. Which is, so he built a shitcoin. He got people to buy into it by like telling them like whatever, it's gonna be a great thing. And so the price started going up. He owned most of it. So when he sells all of it, it crashes the market. This is an economics thing. Yeah, cause now he flooded it with like, oh, all this stuff is for sale. People ate it up, and he walked out with 20 grand.
Damn.
AKA it's a pump and dump. Yeah, but this kid's like 12. So that's why he's like freaking out on the camera. He's like, thanks for the 20 bandos. He's like, whoa. I'm like, this is, oh God. The hilarious upside to this is that this reached Twitter and like got famous. So then the people that bought all of it pumped it back up to grief the kid and got it to a point where the amount he sold was worth $14 million. So they wanted him to feel bad as just like a punishment. He still got 20 grand. He's making out. He got 20 grand, but they wanted to like stick it to this kid, and because it got viral and famous, that everyone bought in on it again and bumped the value up so that his amount he sold was worth like $14 million. To be like, oh, you lost 14 mil. I mean, opportunity wise. Yeah.
I wouldn't be that sad.
I wouldn't be that sad, dude. Yeah, dude, he's his 14th birthday, dude. Yeah.
Birthday gift.
20 grand just laying around.
Yeah, dude, I love all the comments here. They do like, one comment reads, your son stole my fucking money. Like links to his family's Instagram accounts, pump fun, and I've been spamming his mother, dude. Yeah.
Mother is crazy.
Yeah. He then created another two. He created two more coins called Lucy and Sorry.
Excited to get another 24 grand.
Dude,
from that.
yeah, despite the Sorry token appearing to be an attempt at an apology for his previous scheme, he proceeded to dump his holdings again, making another 24,000. Dude, what?
How do you let that happen?
Dude, what? Like, fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice? What the fuck? How did you let this kid do it again? So, I'm sorry. I didn't know he did it again. All right, so he made 50K. He made 50K from dumping... Oh, my God, dude. Okay, whatever.
He makes more than the average 9 to 5 worker year, bro.
Oh, my God. All right. Oh, shit. It's 8. I got to go teach another student. Okay, cool. Was this helpful to you, Bella? Does this help you out with stuff?
Yeah.
Yeah, is your exam tomorrow?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, let me text me later tonight if you still have questions about stuff. I can try to explain it. Otherwise, I think ChatGPT is pretty great for this. Like, what were we talking about? Like average variable cost or something? There was something I was asking it. What was it?
Or like the profit or like shutdown price or something.
Oh wait. Okay. What does shutdown price with P less than ABC mean? Okay, one second. Okay. whether a firm should... Okay, yeah, well, this is what we thought, right? Which is whether the firm should keep making products or just shut down. Okay. If the price is below, the revenue is less than the cost of producing each unit, continuing... Okay. Right, okay. I see. So if the price that they're selling at it is less than the average variable costs, then like the more they sell, the more they're gonna lose. So they should just quit.
Okay.
Yeah. It's like they're not even at that point when we were talking about what was it? It's not like they're here, right? It's not like the price, you know, is and they can just like lower production a little bit. They're like down here. They're like already screwed. And so if they keep trying to make more units, they're just going to put themselves more and more into the hole. So that's why they call it the shutdown price. Like they should shut down immediately. So if price is greater than average variable cost, it means that they can at least cover the cost of making another unit and then hopefully bring down the average fixed costs low enough so that they're profitable. Like there's hope.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Cool.
Okay.
All right. Awesome. Cool. Let me end out the stream because I got to go teach another student. All right. Thanks everybody for coming to Actual Education Office Hours today. Appreciate talking with all you guys. I learned a lot today. Hope you guys did too. Yes. You're very welcome, Bella. Good luck on your test. Let me know how it goes. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Awesome. Okay. No stream for the rest of the week. I might do Fortnite on Saturday. Let me get back to you on that. And then maybe we'll do something on Thursday because our very own Each of the Two Eye Pie, Zach, is defending his PhD tomorrow. And so I'm going to, there's like a private link for us to the mods to watch it. So we're going to watch it. And then afterwards, I'll announce if we do kind of a celebration for him and whatnot. No AMA on Friday. Yeah, no AMA this Friday unless I last minute get someone, but I don't think... I like to give at least a week ahead of time. I will try to get one for next Friday. I think I have someone coming into town I could get as an AMA guest for next Friday. And plus, I got another mic and everything. Okay. But yes. Let's go raid someone, go say hi. Who am I following? Yes, thanks, Cosmic. I appreciate that. Yeah, thanks. Yeah. Who is on... High Potential is sleeping. Someone's playing Half-Life 2. Merryweather's doing Gauss's Law. What do I want to say hi to? Let's go say hi to Moo Hoodles. She's cool. It looks like she's doing science. I always prioritize people that are doing science. Like, if you're doing science, cool, I'll raid you. Not that I don't like gaming, but we'll do gaming over the weekends. Okay, all right. Have a wonderful rest of your Wednesday. Enjoy the rest of the week. We will see you around next Monday. Peace.
And continue looking. Really